What is the main idea of Metaverse?
The main idea of the Metaverse is a moonshot. The goal is to, exactly like Kennedy said, we want to go to the moon in 10 years. In about 10, 15 years, what we want to do is to achieve massively hyperscaled network of interconnected 3D worlds that represent the evolution of what we know right now as websites of the internet. The concert of Ariana Grande or the concerts of Snoop Dogg and other artists that are happening right now, or even just the Metaverse Fashion Week that is happening on the central end, and then productivity and education. Accenture, and it's a number of today, onboarded more than 200,000, my company, onboarded more than 200,000, the company I work for, not my company, unfortunately. We onboarded 200,000 people since the beginning of the pandemic using a Metaverse platform that is called Allspace. It's important to be clear in the definitions and the things that we're talking about.
I appreciate the, definition and things, but I would also say that to your second point there, all of those pieces that you listed, those components are not ready for mass adoption. If
which components?
10 million people let me finish. If 10 million people logged into the Metaverse Fashion Week today, the site would crash. It would completely fall over. I've attended Metaverse Fashion Week every time it's run, and it's not ready for mass adoption.
Will the Metaverse allow us to live forever?
Great question. Throughout history, everyone wants to live happy, healthy, and useful. To answer that question, I actually want to challenge the whole panel a little bit. So in December last year, Elon Musk made a major announcement. His Neuralink, the chip into the brain, and he said he has already got authorization from the government to start human trial in 6 months' time. And I think that can be a major milestone if any of us want to live forever using Metaverse.